tells you things that you don't wanna hear. You are the one who keeps my secrets safe from all I fear. I am the mirror that you're looking when you wanna see the person underneath it all, the one you wanna be. So don't let go, don't leave me here to be alone. We will go on together. You go and I'll be alright. I love my way as long as you let me. You look to me to be the one to save you from yourself, to put the train back on the tracks when you've derailed again. And you're the one whose heartbeat suits me with its lullaby when I'm cried out and can't get back again. So don't let go, don't leave me here to be alone. We will go on together. You go and I'll be alright. Along my way as long as you let me. And I really hate it when it looks like you will leave me behind. When you hit the big time, will you even remember my name? But I know that all I really need is to know you are there, and know that all this time you have loved me. So don't let go.